Hey guys, welcome to OpenProfit lesson number 8. My name is Raphael. I'm a product development consultant. In case you're just joining these videos and you haven't checked out videos 1 to 7, so now you know who I am. I promised in my last post on the community, that I was going to share something very fundamental and important with you, and it's called the fundamental state of mind. And I talked about it on that platform. If you are not on my community on Telegram, please join right now, t.me/OpenProfitHQ. Now, I said that I was going to share what fundamental state of mind is. And if you understand fundamental state of mind, it will give you an inkling into how to get more profit out of your business, how to get more capital, how to get more funding if you are an African entrepreneur or an entrepreneur anywhere in any developing country in the world. Now, a fundamental state of mind is a level of awareness to which you bring yourself consciously. It's a level of awareness to which you bring yourself consciously. This allows you to objectively engage opportunities to gain big profit out of your venture. All right. Now, when it comes to big profit in business, successful people behave completely different from others. And this is what they do. For instance, when an opportunity comes, all right, they look at it and say, what are the pros? What are the cons? Now, they accept the pros, and then do you know what they do with the cons? They look for ways to insure themselves against the cons. They don't try to remove the cons. They don't try to prevent the cons. That's not going to happen. You know that every business and every opportunity and every venture comes with its own pros and cons. Now, you are probably not getting bigger profit out of business because you're trying to prevent the cons from happening. You cannot do that. Successful people do not think about preventing the cons. They think about insuring themselves against the cons. That's what you should be doing. So you cannot do prevention, but you can do insurance. So when you get an opportunity, celebrate the pros, get happy, and sit down and ask yourself, how can I insure myself against the cons? This is OpenProfit. I'll see you in the next video.